From manual to automatic, what are the differences? If you have ever operated or simply observed a manual car wash during peak hours, you will see a very familiar scene. Cars light up, stop constantly running around. Some spraying water, others wiping, others scrubbing. Everything is incredibly busy. Yet, they still cannot keep up with the volume of cars. And the crucial point is that no matter how hard they try, this model always has a clear limitation. When it's busy, the staff have to choose between two things. Either work quickly to get the car moving or work thoroughly to maintain quality. If they work quickly, the car won't be as clean as expected. While if they work thoroughly, customers will have to wait longer and are more likely to leave. This is the core bottleneck of manual washes. It entirely depends on manual intervention and cannot simultaneously control both speed and quality. And in the long run, as customer demands increase and requirements become more stringent, this limitation becomes more apparent, leading many to seriously question, is that the way to operate more stably, with less risk and less depending on human labor? When switching to automatic car wash model, the first difference you will notice is speed. But not just faster is the control and predictable way. With manual washings, each car is a variable. How dirty the car is, whether the staff is experienced or not, whether it's busy or not, all affects the processing time. But with an automated system, the entire process is standardized step by step. A washing cycle takes place in the correct order: spraying water, creating foam, scrubbing, rinsing, and the time is almost fixed for each car. This allows you to control not only the speed, but also the flow of the vehicle, knowing exactly how many cars can be processed per hour and the maximum number of trips per day. And when you control the time, you also begin to control revenue. This is the crucial shift from working by feel, no systematic operation with clear data. However, speed alone is not enough, because what keeps customers coming back is not the fastest, but the most consistent. In manual car washing, you will see a very clear reality. The same car might be very clean today, but not the next day. The reason is not the equipment, but the people. Each person there is differently, with varying level of skill. But with an automated system, the entire process is pre-programmed. Water pressure, amount of chemical, scrubbing force, everything is fixed and repeated repeatedly. This creates a clear service standard, ensuring that its vehicle receives a consistent result. As customers return repeatedly and see the same result, they begin to build trust. Once they have trust, they no longer compare each wash, but view the shop as a place they can trust. And this is the foundation for creating loyal customers. Another significant change and a major headache for many shop owners is the staffing issue. With manual washing, handling many vehicles simultaneously requires a large workforce. However, more people means higher costs, more complex management, and increased risk. Suddenly, employee turnover, inconsistent work schedule, and uneven skill level are directly impact service quality and speed. But with automation, the role of human resources changes completely. Machines handle most of the heavy and repetitive work, while humans only need to assist with loading vehicles, monitoring the process, and checking after washes. A station can operate stably with a very small number of staff, yet still handle a large volume of vehicles daily. This not only reduces costs, but also helps reduce management pressure, a crucial factor for long-term growth. However, the most important thing that many only realize after the transitions is the change in how they make money. When operating manually, most shops focus on washing as many cars as possible, as each car represents a single payment. But with automation, car washing becomes just the foundation step, a step to attract customers and create a stable customer base. When the processing time for each vehicle is shortened, you have more time and resources to offer higher value service, such as extensive car care, nano-coating, interior cleaning. At this point, a single customer not just brings in one revenue stream, but can generate multiple revenue streams in a single visit. This is a shift from single service to systematic business. When done correctly, profits no longer depend on how the number of vehicles, but on the value you derive from each customer. In short, the shift from manual to automatic is not about replacing a piece of equipment, but about changing the entire operational mindset. From relying on human to relying on a system. From doing a lot but difficult to control to doing less but more efficiently. From earning money per visit to earning money based on value. For this transformation to happen correctly from the start, having a reliable partner is extremely important because if the implementation is wrong location, wrong traffic flow, wrong operation, then even the best machine won't be able to utilize its full potential. With Go&Go, you not only get an automatic car wash system, but also support from the site service, traffic flow planning, to operational guidance and optimizing customer acquisition. More importantly, you always have a team behind you throughout the operation process, helping you avoid unnecessary mistakes. If you are considering changing your business model or are unsure if your location is suitable, please leave your information or contact Go&Go for detailed advice and to develop the most suitable plan.